Let's talk a little bit about the agentic AI world that we're in today. I think we've seen a number of different interesting tool sets pop up in the marketplace. And the way that we see it is you've got tool sets like to build things yourself. And then you've got some other things that have come up around, I don't know, check SaaS platforms, for lack of a better description. Then you've got some vertical agents. So let's talk about the landscape of where things are and maybe where things need to go and continue to evolve towards. So the marketplace as we see it has a number of different agent providers that are out there. So you've got the enterprise SaaS platforms, the Salesforce, Agentforce, you've got ServiceNow, you've got SAP Visual, you've got Microsoft Copilot Studio. You've got a number of different tool sets, and those tool sets work really well against their platforms, but might not be the right tool set to go across the entire enterprise. So then you've also then got the tool set providers that help you build, but you have to have a lot of internal expertise and you have to cobble the pieces together. So, anywhere from the hyperscalers, obviously all have tool sets and platforms now that provide these tools on the platform, things like Bedrock agents, right? We've got Azure AI agent service. We've got Oracle AI agents. Amazon obviously has their tools there, or Google has their tool sets too. So those are all sort of, here's the tools, you go build something. We've also got developer frameworks with like LangChain and Crea. Again, all very tool set oriented. We have seen some advances with the vertical agents, companies like Harvey in the legal space, Abridge in healthcare. We've got Glean, a number of different things that are built specifically for business problem agents, specifically within industries. And we're starting to get to where we're building agents that can go cross industry and across application set, but yet aren't just tool sets that then you have to build yourself. There's more of a configure and integrate rather than build from scratch and figure out all of the nasty details, maybe below the under the covers, below the surface here. So we're seeing a number of different interesting specialist platforms, for lack of a better description, Relevance AI, Beam AI, some of these types of companies. But that's, I think, where the world is going to improve in the near future is building more cross-purpose agents that aren't just tool sets, but that are configurable platforms that will be able to perform job functions and act as very interactive cohorts or almost employees doing things from data ops or from data science, running marketing campaigns, helping salespeople perform. All of these things are going to be, those are sort of cross industry sets and not just, again, inside of either Salesforce or SAP or one of those tool sets or one of those platforms, and not just build it yourself. So that's what we're seeing right now. And I think that everybody's trying to converge to that spot, but it's an interesting challenge in the market. Thanks.